Menteri Kena Ketenat New and Renewable Energy ke Sarkar India Bhagwan Khuba hanya ke singi ulale jengok ya ke West Khasi Hills District ban kemi bnia ya ke skim per bekerjaan ke Sarkar Pedang bat bela penteri kam hapo ke district. Menteri ulalumru ya ke jingi lang kemi bnia bat ki officer Sarkar jong district harang kat ke jingi don lang Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills ba Garrett LSN Dykes bat hadin kani bat kirang ba snong jong kanong Stone Town area. Habakran sekilat petai kubor kuba ulang bakajing temu jong kate kajing le jungo kalong ban kemi ya ke skim per ke Sarkar Pedang bela penteri kam hapo ke jela bat ban penbet mardor ya ke jing bagi pajba ki ya kendo. Hadin kani menteri le jungo ru ya ke mau kawa agan wadi center Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School bat mauli sub center ban kemi halor ki skim per bekerjaan ke Sarkar Pedang bela penteri kam hapo ke district.
To review the central government schemes and whatever they are facing to implement the scheme, immediately we are addressing those challenges, those problems. Because of that, all Northeast region citizens now feeling that yes, we are developing at par with the other state of the India.
Ka jing yalang ka kenhun menteri hinin ke